Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now let's talk briefly on the gold market. Gold market today is closed on the Easter celebration. So as you can see, there's no much changes compared to the recent session, but still this important detail exists that we need to pay attention to. So on the daily chart, we see almost the same picture. Market stands at the first fib support at 1217 and daily oversold. So this creates the setup that calls as Judd Napoli bullish stretch pattern. Usually stretch triggers some upward retracement with reaction on the strong tension around fib level. Since this is not just a support, but this is also oversold, so market feels really uncomfortable in such combination, and probability suggests that some at least minor bounce should happen here. On the 4-hour time frame chart, guys, at the same moment we have discussed this ABCD completion point, right? Market has completed it almost, not quite, but almost. So if I'll draw here this extension to see it clearly, this really has been touched or not. Just add the one. Right, so market has touched this target, as you can see, but right now it has formed a bearish grabber, and this grabber suggests at least some taking out of these lows. So market still could move again to the downside and test these lows again. The reasons for that could be different, and one reason we see on the hourly chart. On the hourly chart, as you can see, we have this minor ABCD pattern, particularly from that action. I will delete the ABCD. So, particularly from that action, this ABCD we see on the hourly chart. So, and you can see that market hasn't quite reached the 1618 target, just for a few cents right here. That could become the reason of appearing the bearish grabber here, why market really could show another leg down and taking out of these lows, particularly because of this 1618 target. Also, guys, as you can see, it's very important because this again we see the cunning action in the gold market. So we have seen many times already. You could see it again. So take a look. Market has created the visuality of the hand shoulders pattern right here, since the major ABCD pattern has been completed. Appearing head and shoulders here is very logical. That could trigger a probable upward retracement. But at the same time, guys, market hasn't quite tested 1618 target. This is very typical for the market, for the gold market. Gold likes to show the visual effect of the reversal right at the eve of the touching of the important target. And when traders start to involve in this trade, taking the long positions, market surprisingly drops, grabbing all the stops that have been placed here, touch the target, and only after that turn to the upside action. So it's very typical for the gold market. That it means that these head and shoulders that already has been completed, as you can see, just the right shoulder hasn't been completed yet, probably is doomed to failure. And at least we do not call you to take any long position here until market will not touch the 1618 target. Or if you still would like to take the long anyway, you just need to place stop at least below the 1618 target if you still would like to take part in this possible upward action. If you would like to trade the stretch pattern on a daily time frame chart, and you would like to take this scalp trade, you should at least place stop below 1618 target. Because if market will occasionally drop here and erase these potential head and shoulders, this will not mean the destruction of the all bullish setup. Because after that, as this target will be completed, market easily could turn up again. So the moving here and destruction of this potential head and shoulders doesn't mean necessarily the destruction of the short-term bullish setup, because this action will be absolutely logical since market is moving to touch the complete target. This is a major trap right now in the gold market in the short-term perspective on the intraday charts. So that's in fact this detail that I would like to discuss today, because nothing more we have here right now. The action is not really, as I said, very significant. So let's wait for ending of the holidays and see what really will happen on the next week.